Hello friends! Today is Free Gift Friday, and if you are a member of my Sunshine Makers Club email list, then be sure to open your email today and find out I have 2 free gifts available for you to choose. And you have the coupon codes to use and all the further details on how to redeem your code and get your receive your free gifts. And if you make the qualifying purchase amount, you can choose both gifts. So there's the 2 emails, 2 codes, so make sure you open both of them. Alright, so that's all I'm going to give away for now, and I'm going to wait and let the surprise be for you when you open your email from me today. Thank you so much. Love you all. Stay safe. Keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.